Reflected greater than magic methods. I am in need of a reflected magic method greater than, and there does not appear to be one. Here is the situation. I have a class which keeps track of units. It is called property. I have the magic method set up to handle comparisons, but it does not work when I put the property on the right side. Here is an example. So if you run this, you will see the output is false, true, false, because the middle example is executing float is greater than property, which uses the built-in is greater than, not the is greater than I have defined using magic methods. I need a magic method that will be used when the property is on the right-hand side. Is that not a thing? If not, how can I write this so that any combination of values and my own class can be compared? I would like to not have any rules for comparisons. I don't want to just never be able to compare a float to a property.
You can use a functools.total_ordering decorator to create the missing comparison methods for you. Then you get false, false, false. Do make sure to read its documentation, though.
Since you've declared the _float_ method, you could always write it as
Yes.